gonna be him in the mouse suit.
Oh boy.
Oh my god. Just ask management who's in the mouse suit.
Do
we know his name? We don't know his name. We're gonna detain the mouse, dude.
Yes, we are.
Do it. I want you to. Go around and ask. Go around.
You want me to come in front of these kids?
Yeah, grab him. Get him. Grab him, quick. Don't resist. Do not resist. Don't. Let your hands go. Let your hands go. I got it. I got wide open. Alright, for now we have 1 to 10. Okay, he's the suspect. He stole someone's card here and has been using it. Someone that was one of your employees, like last week or something like that. So, yeah, I understand. Yeah, we'll have to get it back to you in a second.
He can let that man walk out the door, y'all know.
He's a criminal. What would you like to know?
I would like y'all to walk him out the door instead of traumatizing all these children, seeing somebody like Chucky. Would y'all put Mickey Mouse in handcuffs?
Have a good night.
Have a good night. I will.
Yeah, they're called secret photos. We have a verbal in progress. They're valid, please.
787, you can come out in the front. Does this come off, man? Does this just come off the top? I want to hurt you.
I work here.
There you go. I understand you work here.
What the is this about?
We're going to talk to you.
Talk to you in a second.
How does this come off, man? Is it just like a normal?
Can I get that? I gotta take this back. This is my work stuff.
Okay, we'll take care of that.
Yeah, we'll do it. Put him in the car and read him, and then go from there.
Man, what is
Search him as best you
going
can.
on, man?
I know he's probably got internal pants, but
Oh, sorry, man. Very good. Wait. What is going on?
just pat him down. Just pat him down for now. Just make sure there's nothing crazy. You have any weapons, knives?
I don't carry weapons.
Okay, perfect.
What is going on?
I'll explain that to you, right?
Really just get dressed.
I don't know what y'all talking about or what's going on.
Alrighty, sir. I'm Officer Cruz.
The parents are not happy with me or us for detaining Chuck E. Cheese.
Too bad.
Statements about material matters given by witness
It'll find
under
safe.
oath will be. I'm sorry, that's
Hey, what's this guy's name?
Try not to.
Can you be around?
You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you are being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise the right to not answer any questions or make any
Students
statements.
throughout the college place. The college down that being at 451 Front Road. 451
Yeah,
Front
I
Road.
understand, but what is going on? I don't know anything.
Have you previously?
Only
The
thing
neighborhood meat market. You went there multiple times.
I use my own card. And I don't use other people's stuff or nothing.
Okay. At the meat market, you use your own card?
My own card. That's it.
So you do go to the meat market then?
I go there, but I don't use nobody's card but my own.
When's the last time you went there? The meat market?
A few days ago.
A few days ago? Okay. And you used your own card there?
Just my own. Nobody else's.
Is that the app thing you were talking about? Your
Cash
Apple
out.
Pay
That's
thing?
it. Cash out.
They take cash out there? Okay. What about the Time Savers too?
Cash out.
Cash out? So you've been there recently?
About 2 weeks ago.
Okay. What about Tony Mark?
Haven't been in recently.
Been Tony Mark? Okay. Time Savers, yeah. So you go to the places and use your cash app on your phone to pay for stuff? Never with the card. Okay, so
Let me give the manager at least a helmet, so I'm not trying to advertise that we have Mickey Mouse or whatever his name is.
The caller has not seen in a while.
Chucky's a little bit busy, ma'am. Chucky, come with me, Chucky. Come on. Come with Chucky. Chucky, stop resisting. Stop resisting. You're being detained. Stop resisting. Let it go. Let it go. Do not cause a scene here, sir.
I got mine.
Got it. Come on. Hey, we're going this way, sir. Let's go. Let's go. We're going to talk to you in a minute, okay? We got to do our job, ma'am. It's not my call, ma'am. Come on. I'm going to talk to you in a minute and let you know what's going on, okay? Alright, that's fine. I got you.
I'm working, entertaining kids for a living.
I got you, buddy. Come over here. You got anything on you? It's gonna poke me, stick me, stab me? You got anything on you? I'm gonna pat you down, okay? What's that? What's in your pocket here? Just your wallet and stuff?
Does this come off, man? Does this come off the top? Oh, it hurts.
I'm working. I'm just doing my job.
I got you.
What the is this about?